Hello friends, welcome back to my channel RMR Indian Coffee. So friends, today's our topic is hair dryers. I am showing you the best online rated hair dryers from minimum to maximum prices friends. And this video is totally based on my personal research friends, and I am suggesting you the best online rated hair gadgets. And I had some experience also with these products because I am a hairdresser. And these are the products I am showing to you. Please watch it.
In Dyson we have one more special edition. It comes with 23.75 karat gold friends, and we have so many types of dryers in Dyson. We can do straight, we can do curls, we can do even twist also friends. It comes with the special case of Dyson.
And I have also given the product link in description box. You can check it out and there also. And if you have any doubt about these products, you can ask me on below comments also friends. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get more interesting videos like this. My name is Ramohan. You're watching RMR Indian Coffee. So guys, see you soon.